geometry question or problem. In this shape, you have this angle to be Z or Z. This angle Z, this angle Y, and this one Y. This one is X. And you have asked to find angle X. The best approach to solve this problem is to find, like here, you go to the known. Z is known, Z is also known, but here is not known. Here is also not known. But you can find here, then you add them up with the 80 to give you 180, because the total angle in a triangle is 180. So now we'll consider here the total angle from here to here, which is 180 angle, total angle in a straight line. So you're going to say Z plus, let's call here P plus P equal to 180. So you have 2Z plus P equal to 180. P will then be equal to what? 180 minus 2Z. We have now found P, which is this angle here. Let's go to this other place and find here, let's call it T. So you're going to say Y plus Y, that's Y plus Y plus T, will be equal to 180. You can call this equation 1. Then 2Y plus T is 180. T will be equal to 180 minus 2Y. You call this equation 2. So we've been able to find angle P and T. So when you consider this triangle, let's call this A, and here B, and here C, and here D. So in this triangle, A, B, C, A, B, C, the total angle in this triangle is 180. So you are going to add 80 plus P. What did we get as P? 180 minus 2Z plus, what did you get as T? Okay, first of all, before we substitute the values, the total angle, let's do it this way. 80 plus T plus P equal to 180. So 80 plus T, we got T to be 180 minus 2Y plus P, we got P, which is in equation 1, we got it as 180 minus 2Z equal to 180. So it's 80 plus T plus P. That is what we have here. So this 180 will cancel this 180. You know that? Because this coming over here will be equal to 0. So you now have 80 plus 180 minus 2Y minus 2Z equal to what? 0. So we collect like terms. If we collect like terms, we are going to have minus 2Y minus 2Z equal to minus 180 minus 80. So here the common factor, the variable in this and this 2. So you're going to have minus 2 into y plus z equal to minus 260. So this will cancel this, and you now have y plus z will be equal to 260 divided by 2. So y plus z will be equal to what? 130 degrees. We have found y plus z to be 130. So we now go back to this equation ACD, this triangle ACD. In triangle ACD, we have here to be y, here to be z, and here to be what? X, which we are looking for. So you substitute the value. You have y plus z plus x will be equal to what? 180. So y plus z, we already know y plus z to be 130. So we put it here, 130 plus x plus x equal to 180. So x will be equal to 180 minus 130. X will be equal to 50 degrees. So we have found our x to be 50 degrees. So class, if you have any question, you come to my channel. Visit my channel. Please like, subscribe.